Okay, so on today's episode of Just My Luck, we here recently, a couple days ago, I fixed the path to the cabin, and then it decided it was going to rain a lot. And so, in the process of fixing the path, we fixed the creek crossing, which is good because we needed to. And then it rained, and then our creek crossings flooded, which washed them out because all the fresh dirt that was on it, along with the rest of our path. Today, we're just going to be fixing the creek crossing. Hopefully it's not too muddy. Like I said, it rained a lot, so that is what we're doing today. Probably be a pretty short video, but okay, so that didn't take long. It's still pretty muddy, so kind of getting it smooth yet is kind of not really my main concern because it's still pretty muddy. So yeah, we'll drive over it a couple times with the trucks and stuff, and this'll get nice and packed down hard, and then we can add fresh dirt, smooth it out, keep driving on it, and it'll pat down pretty good. But as you can see right there, it's pretty muddy, so the dirt just kind of like pushes out around your wheel when you're trying to pack it down. So there's not much you could do about that when it's muddy, but once it dries out, it'll be all good. We'll be able to fix this up. But yeah, it's a pretty short clip, so might add it to a log cabin video. We'll see. But yeah, so this is our little creek crossing. Pretty little creek. Curves around. It goes all the way through our land. So that's yep. That's a wrap for today. So see you next time.